Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the next chapter, that is circles chapter, MCQs questions as per new syllabus. So here the first question is, let us see all the questions are from the previous papers, important questions. Okay, most of the important questions from the circle chapter. It's a very small chapter, so the repeated problems you will be getting in the examination. Okay, first one here. In the figure, TP and TQ are the tangent to the circles with center O. TP and TQ are the tangent to a circle with center O. The measure of PTQ. Okay, you can see here the measure of PTQ we need to find, and we know that angle between the radius and tangent is always 90 degree. So we have 290 degree here. So if the question comes like this, what we have to do is 180 degree minus what is given, 110 degree. 180 degree minus 110 is 70 degree. So the correct option is C, 70 degree. Okay. So otherwise you know that here it is a quadrilateral, 90 plus 110 plus 90 plus PTQ is equals to 360. This is also you can do, but this is the lengthy method. As we are solving MCQs, we should be very quick. You should do what? 180 minus 110. So let us see the next question, second question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. Here the figure is not given. So what we have to do, we will draw the figure first. From the point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. Okay, so from the point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance of the Q from the center is 25 centimeter. From the center, distance of the Q from the center is 25 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter and this is 25 centimeter. It is told in the question, find the radius of the circle. Okay, this is the radius. Find O is the central, will write, P will be writing. OP we have to find. Find the radius of the circle. We know that it is 90 degree. So OQ square, that is 25 square, is equals to OP square plus 24 square. Okay, 25 square is nothing but 625 is equals to OP square plus 576. 24 square is, so 625 minus 576 is equals to OP square. OP square is equals to, we are going to get 49. Okay, then OP is equals to 7 centimeter will get. So the radius is nothing but 7 centimeter, first one. Okay, so we got here 7 centimeter. Let us see the third question. If the tangent PA and PB from the point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at 80 degree. This is 80 degree. Okay, this is 80 degree. Then POA is equal to how much? Okay, now if it is 80, like previous problem, we can solve this question. If it is 80, I have told you what we have to do, 180 minus 80. Okay, 180 minus 80, what we got? 100 degree we got. This full is 100. Then this will be what? POA, they have told 50 degree. 100 by 2, that is 50 degree is the answer. So here there is one more option. If this is 80, half will be 40. 40 and 90. This is 90. You know angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. So what? 40. Full 80 na. So bisected angle it is. So 40 plus 90. You will get 180 degree. This is the triangle. 40 plus 90 plus POA is equals to 180 degree. So if you do 180 degree minus 40 plus 90, if you do, you will get again 50 degree only. Okay, so direct question we can do. So the correct answer is 50 degree. Let us see the next question. The length of the tangent from a point A, okay, at distance 5 centimeter from the center of a circle is 4 centimeter. Same like this question. Here the figure was not given. Here the figure is given. So if the figure is given, you can do directly. The radius of the circle is. Here also you have to find OP. I'll do here 90 degree it is. So opposite OA square is equals to OP square plus AP square. 5 square is equals to OP square plus 4 square. 5 square is 25. I'll bring here 4 square is 16 is equals to OP square. OP square is equals to 9. OP is equals to 3. So the answer is 3 centimeter. C 3 centimeter is the answer. Let us see the next question. Two concentric circle of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. The length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is. Length of the chord we have to find. This is the length of the chord which touches the smaller circle. Okay. So you can see here this is bigger radius and this is smaller radius. Okay. Big circle radius, small circle radius. Now we can see this is 90 degree. We can again write here question number 5. OA square is equals to OP square plus AP square. OA square is 5 square is equals to OP 3 square plus AP we don't know. Okay. 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 is equals to AP square. AP square is equals to 16. AP is equals to 4. You know that AB is nothing but AP plus PB, and if it is 4 then this is also 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter, because so the length of the chord is nothing but D 8 centimeter. Let us see the next question, that is question number 6. Okay, here we can see this is in the figure PA, PC and CD are the tangents drawn to a circle of center O. If AP is 3 centimeter, okay, and CD is 5 centimeter, then the length of PC is, we should be very quick. So we know that if this is 5 centimeter, I'll show you here. We can see if CD, tangent drawn from external points are equal, CD equals to BC. CD equals to BC. Both will, if this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. PA equals to PB. Tangent drawn from external point. PA equals to PB. If PA 3 centimeter, PB also 3 centimeter. So, if CD 5, PC also 5. Therefore, we can easily write that PC is equals to PB plus BC. PB value is what? 3. And BC is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 centimeter. So the answer is C 8 centimeter. Now let us see. A straight line passing through a point on a circle is tangent. A straight line passing through a point. A point is nothing but a tangent. Passing through a point is nothing but tangent. Let us see the next question. In figure, O is the center of the circle. AC is a diameter. AC is a diameter. If ACB is 50 degree, then the measure of BAC is, okay, you can see the figure here. We know that angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. We all have learned about it. Angle in the semicircle. This is semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. This they have given 50 degree. Then this is 90 degree. We have to find A. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. What they have told, ACB we need to, ACB, BAC is equals to, BAC is equals plus 90 degree plus 50 degree is given is equals to 180 degree. BAC plus 90 plus 50 is 140 degree is equals to 180 degree. 180 degree minus 140 is nothing but 40 degree. So the answer is D, 40 degree. Okay. The measure of the angle formed between tangent and radius drawn from the center of the circle to the point of contact of a tangent is, yes, the measure of the radius to the tangent is always 90 degree from anywhere if you draw. For example, I can show you here one more figure. This is the tangent and this is the circle. This is the tangent and this is the radius. So angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact is always 90 degree. So the answer is D, 90 degree. Next question, line segment joining center and the point on the circle. Line segment joining the center and a point on a circle is always radius. Line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is what? Radius. So we can expect this type of question from the circle chapter. So the next question is, the biggest chord in a circle is called dash. So we know that the biggest chord of a circle is what? This is the circle. Chord is the point on the 2 points on the circle. Like this is the chord and the biggest chord is exactly the biggest chord is the circle which passes to the center, that is diameter. So the biggest chord is nothing but diameter. Okay, let us see the next question. Can be drawn. Okay, next question is, how many radius can be drawn in a circle? In a circle we can draw how many radius? We can draw many radius. We don't infinitely many. So the answer is many radius we can draw in a circle. Okay, the next question, 13 question number. To a circle, dash parallel tangent can be drawn at most. Parallel tangent, this is the circle. How many parallel tangent can be drawn? 1 and 2. 2 parallel tangent can be drawn in the circle. This question may interchange and they may give you how many parallel tangents can be drawn in the circle. This is the model paper question. Okay. Now here you can see in the figure AB, AC and AD are the tangent. If AB is equals to 5 centimeter, then AD is. We will focus properly on this figure. In the figure, AB is a tangent, AC is a tangent and AD is a tangent. If AB is equals to 5, you can see here this is the AB which is given 5 centimeter. We know that the tangent drawn from external points are equal. AB should be equal to AC because this is the tangent drawn from external points are equal. So AB 5 centimeter means AC also will be 5 centimeter. Now we can see here this circle tangent drawn from external point, AC 5 centimeter means AD also is 5 centimeter. So the value of AD is 5. Okay. Let us see the next question. Question number 15. The maximum tangent can be drawn from an external point to a circle is. The maximum tangent drawn from the. So the maximum tangent can be drawn from an external point to a circle is 2. So this type of problem you can expect in your examination. So in my next video I am going to continue with the chapter construction. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.